Welcome back. So in this video we are going to look into master objects. So what is master object concept in Qlik Sense? So a lot of freshers who actually ask me, can you tell me what is the significance of master items? So we are not able to make out that why our seniors are telling us to create master measures, master dimension and master visualizations. So we are not able to get that concept. A simple thing is, master means you are trying to create a standard layout where that particular layout is going to be reused multiple times. So let's say I'm creating a PPT and I have a standard layout created for this particular course. So for this course I'm going to use that particular layout across all my pages. To achieve that, to create that stability across the application, master objects comes into play. Let's say master measures. So what is master measures? Master measures help you to create aggregation function, which you actually use it into your Qlik charts. But first we are going to create master measures going into master items, and then we are going to use that master measure into our charts. So let's say one master measure called as total sales has been created in one of my applications, let's say sales application, and that measure is used across 50 sheets of my application. Now the pain point is, let's say I want to change some logic. To do that, I have to edit the whole application an enormous amount of time to do this activity across all the 50 pages or all the 50 sheets. So just creating a master measure, adding that function or adding that logic over there for total sales, and use that particular master measure across the application. And when the logic change, I'm going to just change the logic into the master measure for the total sales, and it will be affected across the application, across 50 pages and across all the charts which are using that particular master measure. The same concept is followed for master dimension. Master dimension is nothing but you take a dimension, you kind of create a master dimension of that. That means you create, let's say you have some logic. Let's say category A, B, and C is called, let's say let's say it is called as scheduled drugs. Okay, so and rest of the category is called as, let's say, general drugs. So the scheduled drugs and general drugs is technically a filter which you want to create. So you can create that filter in your master dimension using the same logic itself, and you can reuse it or use it multiple times across to your dashboard. The same logic goes to master visualization. You create a chart, you add your logic into it. Let's say you add a master measure and dimension, and you create a bar chart. Then you add it into your master visualization. This will help you create a chart which is going to be used, let's say 5, 10, 15 times into your application. So you can basically recreate one chart in multiple times. But what I have seen in my career is master measure and master dimension are actually highly used, and master visualization is used a little less. Master visualization has a different criteria. Let's say I want to create show and hide chart where chart 1 and chart 2 is present. On some criteria, chart 1 should be visible. On some of the criteria, chart 2 should be visible. For that, master visualization actually comes in. Let's go on and understand each of the components very carefully.